Welcome to another episode of Nocturnal Exploration. Tonight we are at Lightning Bend Park. We were doing some research. Some of the stories that we read seemed a little far-fetched, but since how we did see as many stories as we did, which I might post one or two of them at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. We're still going to go check it out, and we're bringing you with us. Let's do it.
No, I don't want you going down.
Are you filming yet?
I am.
There's a candle there.
Yeah.
You hear bullfrogs? Oh, Navy.
Somebody left an old Navy sandal here. Little girls.
It's a bit old.
Red.
Red.
Like red button. Oh, it's a disc golf.
Okay, make sure I'm still recording.
So now the problem is I can't talk about blurry or not because I ain't got my readers on.
Why'd you do that?
They're in the other car.
What exactly is this supposed to be?
It's for disc golf. You throw your frisbee into it.
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like we got a trail there and a trail there. And
And one over there. Man, this is a perfect place for walking.
oh, is that a picnic area?
Yeah.
What exactly is that? That's something.
I don't know what that is. I know that was a spider web I just walked through.
That's what we send you first.
Yeah.
From the spider. Got your stump right there.
Yeah.
What is this?
Your cricket.
Yeah, it looks perfectly. And then,
Mash Park in memory of. Okay, now we got some options. We can go through.
What do we have? We have to remember what.
There's a
option we
carpet
took.
here.
there's one more over there. That's probably back that way.
We might want to leave a bread trail.
There's another disc golf over there.
Yep. Oh, we can see where that one goes.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm keeping my weight off. It's not quite as bright as yours.
Another trail that leads off that way.
And one over there too.
We're gonna wind up getting lost.
Well, I got my phone, which has a compass. So there's that.
Yeah.
Your hands are getting cold?
Yeah, they're ice, kind of. But that just spiked a little bit. It was on the second green.
Right back here?
About 2 steps back.
Take 2 steps forward, I take 2 steps back.
Oh, of course that would be a sign.
It's because opposites attract.
I like these trees. Because you can literally go in any direction you want.
Oh. Yeah, they're wide open.
Wide open places.
This kind of looks like a horror movie.
It kind of looks like the beginning of a horror movie.
Yeah. Walk in and don't walk out.
That's a sand pit, right?
I don't know, does disc golf have sand pits?
I doubt it, but maybe. Maybe you're supposed to stand down here and throw them up there.
Just off one time play.
That must have been the most boring time in your life.
Just to know what it even was. There's another carpet's red.
It must have been like the tee area.
Yeah, where they started off at.
Oh, it looks like people drove down here.
Well, it's wide enough for a vehicle.
You know, this reminds me of Blair Witch Project.
I don't know what that is.
Hey, you're not missing nothing.
Yeah, you're not. Wasn't that supposed to be out like California or something?
I don't know. I fell asleep at the beginning.
This is pretty cool, though. I do like this.
I remember last year when we were doing it, what was it, like 25 degrees?
Oh, it was freezing.
We were wearing gloves and...
You guys realize that we lost the trail?
No, we just follow this right straight back.
Yeah, well, we're leaving that. There's no more like actual trail.
Yeah, we probably should go back before we get
But what
lost.
you do is you just take and make marks.
Yeah, that's gonna be super easy to find.
Well, when we're running from a psychopath killer.
No, I'll blind it with the little passive light.
You better leave me alone.
Well, we can't be too far off the trail because right here's another disc golf thing.
Yeah, this might be the way out. Right? Yeah, there's a trail right here, it looks like.
That reminds me of the 808. Or, yeah, 808. Woods.
Well, this is just better. It's more woods. I like it.
Now it is midnight. Shh. Okay, it's just a loud car.
It kind of sounds like talking to you, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's why I said shh, but then I heard exhaust, so.
They had a park can in their car. Don't know if you're on a
Like that.
You don't know if there's anybody's land over here.
Well, only one way to find out.
You have to get shot at.
Then people will be out here hunting for our spirits.
And I was scared the hell out of them.
Yeah.
Well, since
Could you
I've-
imagine us if someone goes something after we passed away? How can you have them so scared and never want to do it again?
top of this stump, bunch of beer caps smashed in.
We're in distance, so we'll take a
What movie was that?
What?
Oh, it's Casper. It was like, I'll shoot your eye out, or something like that, or I'll bite your eye out, or eat your eye out, or something.
Oh no. Looks more like a vine tree.
I've seen a map of this place online, and I thought it went back to a river. But I don't see any trail. Oh, there's a... Spoke too soon.
Well, what were you about to say?
Where the river was, yeah.
Where the river flows.
Why do you know every song out there?
Because I'm old.
Well, obviously.
You know, while we're walking, you could talk about that chief thing that someone said.
I could, but that's the one I really don't believe.
A lot of these trees are in line, so
Okay, so I was looking online before we came out here, and one of the stories what I think is the most far-fetched. Because the guy said he was walking through these woods. It didn't say what time of day, but he seen an Indian chief with a tomahawk come out of the bushes, and just before he hit him, he turned into an owl and flew away. That I just don't believe that one.
Nope.
But maybe we should see if there's an Indian chief out here.
Is there a story on Ionia? The Indian stood up top of the hill and says, I own you.
I heard Ionia got named by, no, that was Muskegon. The guy catching he caught a muskie in the river, and it got away, and he said muskie gone, and that's just how Muskegon got named.
Huh. Must have been a long time ago.
Spot we can set up and do it.
Maybe the next picnic table we find. We're back in here pretty far now.
Yeah, it's nice. And relaxing. Love it.
That's something some more peaceful.
You guys want to know how dark it is out here? Kill your lights, guys.
My light's been off the entire time.
That's what we're seeing.
The reason why there's lights coming up. Oh. Yeah,
We're
you
seeing
guys.
more than that.
Yeah, we're seeing more than that now.
Yeah. My hand's cold.
The trees were underneath the canopies blocking all the moonlight.
This is kind of weird up here.
This a ritual spot?
Maybe.
Oh, it's a scoreboard.
I don't know, but there's more beer things.
There we go.
Luscious. Hope you guys bought a lot of batteries, 'cause I really think we're lost now. Is there any more trail that goes back any farther? Oh, this is it, huh?
Yeah, but it's right here is where the next trail goes.
Well, that's the trail we would have came from if we would have stayed straight.
Well, hell. If we just walk that way, we might see something again.
Because here's a carpet, so there's got to be a hole that goes out here.
This is nice. I mean,
I really think they come out here and they clean this up during the certain part of the year, because see all the branches and this part of the woods are cut off
yeah.
on the bottom of the trees.
Yep.
You can see right here, they got a tree laying down. Right here, on this side. There's 200 barrels. There's another end right there.
Must be they didn't want to carry the tables all the way back in here. Let's go this way.
Right up there's the table, you see it?
Yep.
That's an owl.
Yeah.
You might see something.
I was kind of thinking it was a wolf at first.
Well, I heard more. I thought it was people talking off to the side here.
That's what I thought I heard too.
Oh, hold on a minute. People wrote on this tree.
What way's your camera facing?
I'm going to face it this way because I'm going to do a spirit box.
Okay, I'm gonna run this way real quick. My camera's still live, it's still rolling, facing out that way.
Screen don't want to open. Logan. Oh, turn my flashlight off. Oh, I'm sciatica. My back is killing me.
Drink a lot of soda.
Alright, let's get the spirit box out. Logan, you want to try the thermometer?
What is that?
Meter.
Well, obviously.
Oh, you can.
Doing that right on camera?
No. Right next to my camera.
Well, I mean, that one.
Yeah, but it is live. It's going. I don't want it to go. Okay, so
That was a weird sound.
it's out here.
Are you getting scared, Logan?
No. I don't get scared. Because I
You
watch
get scared? Well, you should, because you're on Fear Factor.
Yeah, you're on Fear Factor.
Not Fear Factor, it was Scared Tactics or whatever.
Powering on.
You're on Scared Straight. Tonight we are going to use an actual SB7 spirit box first to see what we get. Is there an Indian chief out here?
Sounds like a park.
Somebody might be having a party.
Mm-hmm.
That must be a loud party because the closest house is like a half a mile away.
Yeah.
I got the sweep going in reverse. Are there any spirits here that want to talk to us? It sounded like it. Who's out here with us? The only cricket in the whole forest.
Goodbye, you hear that?
Did I say goodbye?
Yeah.
And when we edit this, if we misinterpret something we hear or you think that says something different, can you post it in the comments below with a timestamp? You got the K2, Logan?
Yeah, it's okay.
Is there anybody out here with us? Yeah, it's too close to the speaker. Speaker's setting it off. Oh, mine. I gotta get a holder for this thing.
Mine just went off.
Yeah, it is actually.
Mine's got nothing in it.
Put that rem curl on the seat over there. Is there an Indian out here, a chief? Yes. Can you make yourself known? Can you come touch this meter? Hey, the SB7 said your name, Chad. Okay guys, my camera's gonna shut off, so I'm gonna go ahead and kill it. I'll be right back. Alright, right back with you. My camera for some reason only has a 20-minute record time before it shuts off. Is there anybody out here with us tonight that wish to communicate? Who's here? Wow. Alright.
You got your meter on over here? Or your REM prod?
It's right here.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to move it closer to you, you can.
No, I was just wondering. I mean, we got a meter here, we got the REM pod there, and we got a meter right there.
You almost get a weird feeling like someone was running up behind you.
Nope.
Hmm.
That's going off because of my phone.
You know, we're feeling like got a turd coming out or what?
No.
Oh, see that? The meter just went off again.
Like, I thought I heard something run up behind us. So that was nice and fun.
Got your light? Here's all you want back here.
I only got 2 batteries. Let's see what it's using.
Alright. I'm going to switch over to this.
Dead.
Here.
No, I don't need them right now.
Alright, let's start this show.
It's echoing.
Yeah, it's echoing. Wow. Hello? My speaker was making this go off. Is there anybody out here with us? What?
What?
Something, I think it said behind you guys.
That's your logo noise.
Yeah.
What's behind us?
Oh, that's...
What's behind us?
I just got that weird feeling. There's hair standing up. Chad, yeah, Chad's here.
I just said leave and run.
Okay.
Same voice. Dude, that sounded like Indian singing right there.
Maybe we should get the hell out.
Go away.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm freezing cold all of a sudden.
Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like anything about this.
I'm gonna get up from this table in case I gotta scoot.
Boop, scoop, buggy.
Oh, that's kind of good.
Dude, who's here with us?
Good Chad.
Leave.
That's the one for you. Oh, you see that?
Hi. We come in peace. We just want to talk to you. Can you come talk to us?
What?
Did I just say white man? That's a little racist.
Yes, we kill white men.
That is so not PC.
What's PC?
Politically correct.
Oh. Like an actual.
Do you want us to leave?
Today.
All of the weird feelings I got are gone.
What?
I heard that said what after I said that.
Then it sounded like you said, gonna die.
Shit.
You heard that too?
There are noises back here.
Yeah. Well, it's echoing all through the woods, so.
No, when it's not talking.
Yeah.
Don't sneak up behind us. Come face to face. We ain't afraid of you.
Hear that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna shut this off for a minute.
That sounded like someone was walking. And it's not you.
You trying to sneak up behind us?
You hear that? I hear rustling. Good. Yeah, you meet her. Take it.
Dude, I just heard a voice. And it didn't sound like it was coming from that party.
Powering off.
Yeah, I just got over that feeling again.
We're gonna walk over here. I'm gonna aim you guys this way because we keep hearing stuff over there while I pack up my stuff. Logan.
You definitely need to
Come
come back.
back, we ain't leaving yet.
I know, but the next time we should come back.
It's me, guys. Shutting this off. It was proof. Show us that you're here.
There's something warm right here for a second.
Warm?
Yeah.
I didn't see there.
No, there was something warm in just the middle of the air.
That's not good.
That's not good.
Why is that?
Because spirits will pull all the heat out of the air trying to use it for energy. That's why you get cold around them. Anybody else see their breath or just me?
I don't know.
It's not even that cold out here, guys, and I can see my breath.
Yeah, I can see my breath.
I can't see it.
Good breather.
Yeah, I don't think it. What the cat sitting there? It's a rat. These two little sitting there.
It's a West Wing Webbit.
All right, let's see if we can find our way out of this crazy place.
Didn't know my right arm just got sore.
Did it?
My back's been sore since
Let's
we
see
got
it. Maybe you got scratched or something.
Oh, it's up in here.
Does it burn?
No, it don't burn. It's just sore.
We'll take a look at it when we get back to the truck.
My back's been hurting since we've been here. So there's that.
Since we got here?
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably just your back then.
Yeah.
We can also take a look at that at the truck. My back's been hurting for 2 weeks.
Well, we cut across, guys. To get here, remember?
Yeah, I told you we'd be lost on the way out. But let's just keep heading north.
Yeah, we're going back now. We're not going to where we came from.
Are we going backwards?
Yeah, we got to go that way.
Well, hell, let me pull up.
Because we cut across to there.
Oh,
And remember there's that wood stack right there?
I'm gonna
And
pull
we came
up.
down and we walked straight across.
Yeah, this is north, actually, facing straight.
Okay, then we gotta head this way.
Aye, aye, Captain.
I'm gonna turn this K2 off.
No, leave it on.
Yeah.
And pay attention to where you're going, because there's a lot of...
There's little stumps sticking up.
And there's trees down everywhere.
Here's the trail.
Yeah, but the trail's still going east and west. We gotta head north of the truck, don't we?
Yeah, but I'm just saying, we came down this trail, 'cause I remember that.
Oh, it's not.
Watch that stick. It'll jump up and get you.
It did too. It literally jumped there and grabbed me. And then now we walk this way to the barrel and that way.
Oh, yeah. See, good thing we brought Chad or we'd all be screwed.
Yeah, I'm keeping my phone.
Wait a minute.
What?
See those stumps? Weren't those the ones that were at
No.
the end?
No, they were there. Oh, hey. It was at my phone going off.
It's your phone making it go off.
Put your phone in your pocket.
God damn. Scared me a little bit.
Yeah, because I thought there was 3 stumps at the last.
Because we walked up to here, and we seen 3 stumps, we said, there they are, they put pop out of the beer cap to the end. So now we gotta go that way. Right here's the edge of the wood.
Chad's gonna get us killed. What the hell is that?
What?
Okay,
Where's that
never
at?
mind.
It's a thing.
Yeah, it's one of those. Look how tall these trees are, dude. This is ridiculous.
Yep.
Whoa, I'm dizzy as shit now.
When you look straight up and try to walk.
No, I looked straight up and spun in a circle. I think it'd be
Why'd you do that?
for B-roll.
Guess what?
What?
Something drained my battery. That's a brand new battery.
And your camera's now off?
Yeah, it won't even turn on.
You want to take a minute and swap them out?
What the heck?
Oh, he was gone. I thought something was standing there, so I spun it around. So one of you. I think I see a picnic table over there.
Picnic basket? Hey there, boo-boo.
I think this was going off a second ago.
Just make sure it's not by your phone.
Okay, I gotta...
Is that a fork?
Your truck don't have a alarm on it, does it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, don't like that too much.
Okay.
My truck does have an alarm on it, but my horn don't sound like that. My horn is manly.
So it's like a truck horn.
You ever watch that guy called Dude Dad?
Uh-uh.
He put a Baby Shark horn in on his wife's car.
So every time you hit the horn, it's played the Baby Shark song?
Yep. then she didn't like it. He goes, you want me to switch it on you? So he switched it to Mama Shark. Okay, I'm recording, guys.
All right. I never stopped. Uh-oh, shit, dude. I told you we're lost, man.
No, it's just a green carpet.
Yeah, they all have green carpet
No,
on
I
them.
don't have a red one that was up here.
You know, yeah, I remember these trees. They were straight. We went left.
Oh, here's the map.
Yeah, right here. We walked it by the stick.
Right here's this map, too.
You know, I hate getting That's always scary. Put away.
Can't really get a good picture of the map.
I
Dude,
get moving, guys.
you walk behind me for now on. And don't do that, the truck.
Paybacks.
I think Chad's trying to kill us.
You know?
You're gonna have to chisel that off your ass when you get home.
My light was on, it was off.
Why do they always mess with you? Are they not manly enough to come after me?
And another one of
There's
those.
that one.
Dude, seriously, we are lost.
You know, then you take a right up here like this.
Dude, we've been lefting and righting all day.
Dad, shut the hell up.
We
What?
know what we're doing. Don't shove your horn up the butt.
I hate this so much right now.
That we're lost?
That, and I think my anxiety's going up.
Uh-oh. Not your anxiety. My batteries on my flashlight are going dead. I'm gonna swap out.
Yeah, I'm trying to fight it,
Now
but it's
follow
not
this.
going so well because
Follow
of
this
you.
Straight, it's gonna take us up to that red one. And then we go that way.
Yeah, this is the best right now.
And then we go backwards.
What the hell are you talking about?
Dude, we are lost.
Shut the hell up.
My light keeps shutting off.
My flashlight's at half right now.
Okay, I remember that dip right there.
Yeah, you remember I said I was gonna have a...
Sand trap.
Yeah.
Is there anything behind us?
Trees.
There's a car up here somewhere. I heard.
You guys just gonna leave me back here by myself?
Yeah, there's the red carpet.
Roll out the red carpet.
Remember? We walked right by that sand trap.
What is this up here though? Why is there a cool
Another hole.
bench surrounded in rocks?
Wanna go find out? Or do you want to get the hell out of here?
I don't think getting out of here is gonna happen.
Yeah, it is. We walked right by the sand trap and turned this way.
We did. I remember that.
I'm out of light now. I'm completely out of view from the light.
I got another battery that'll fit that. If you want to swap out your light battery.
I'm good.
Whoa. I just heard something walking in the woods next to us. Logan, get on my right.
I heard that car.
No, I heard it in the woods. It was rustling.
Yeah, maybe that story about some guy chasing.
The Indian chief.
Yeah, maybe that was true. Somehow true. I put it down left.
I heard the noise on the right, so.
On the right, then why the hell?
No, I mean, I heard it on the left, so I want you on the right.
Because I'm starting to hear it on the right. Why do you think I'm looking over there that much?
You want to pick on kids? Just come pick on me.
Here's the sign.
Yeah, we went through there the first time.
And then we followed the story up here.
No, actually, we went right through the woods right next to it. Are you coming?
That's kind of cool. Just trying to get a picture, man. Get a shot.
Now I see dots again.
Connect the dots, bro.
Oh, shut up.
Oh, wow. That's kind of a relief. I'd have been lost.
Oh, I forgot we talked about it.
I just went blurry.
Yeah, my hands are as warm as they could be. And then some.
My adrenaline's through the roof, so
Yeah.
I'm good.
Anxiety and stress are about to kill me.
Well, we made it back. Didn't die. I thought for sure we weren't gonna. Now this is our first time here, and I don't know if that's contributing to the anxiety I started feeling back there, but I got the chills. We were hearing stuff in the woods, got turned around, just all around freakiness that we haven't experienced in a while. So I would look forward to seeing another one of these videos. Even though I don't think we caught anything, or not much of anything, I definitely think this is a comeback spot. Let us know in the comments below. If you're a regular here, thanks. If you're new, please consider smashing that like button and subscribing. Tell your friends about us. Thanks for watching.